Hope you got him.
Got him.
Where you shooting at?
Right leg.
No,
Behind the leg. Behind the leg.
My drone got stuck way up in that tree. I'm gonna have to chop it. There it goes. Is it recording? It's gone. It's gonna get stuck. Little man got him a deer today. Check this out, y'all. Check it out. You come over here. Hold on. Hold on. You over there to you. Got him. Check him out. Grab him up. Check him out, y'all. Little man happy. He's happy. Hold up, let me try to I got him his hunting license and his deer tag last night. He only got 2 days to shoot a deer. He whacked one this morning. He got him. I gotta load him up and take him home so I can get him all processed. Little 12-year-old, he's happy today. He's smiling, he got a smile on his face from ear to ear. Told you I was gonna get y'all a video. I was hoping I'd get one for myself. So I got plenty more time. I hope I get one for myself. Then I have me a video for him. And now we got him. Dropped him with a pistol grip shotgun. That is the rope for it. Nah, that's the rope I told you to grab. We don't need that red one. Get to use a sled for the first time.
Actually, you had last year before you used it last year.
Alright.
Back one.
No, man. Hold on. Way easier. Alright, y'all. I got him all field dressed. I got him sitting right here. About to go back and get my stuff out of my tent. Come back over here and grab my truck, bring it down this road. Put him on it. There's a lot of work in getting a deer. Walk down here and get my truck. I got some deer meat over there, simmering over there right now. About to clean this up a little bit more. And we're gonna fry some deer meat. Got it all processed, we got it all in the freezer. So now we're about to fry them up. Gonna fry them on the grill today on the Blackstone. I'm hungry. He said he sacrificed his life for to feed us, feed the family. So it ain't nothing for nothing. Just bring meat to the table for the family.
Yep.
at that, boy. I'm just cooking a little bit right now because I just want to get a steak for me and him to eat, you know, celebrate the deer that he got. Keep that water bottle in there and go and fill that up, because once I'm done cooking this, I gotta clean it. Yep. Yep.
Where put the gloves at?
The glove is in there on the counter.
The gloves are on the counter.
That's good.
Cold.
Well, I'm about to end this video. This deer is really good. Till then, I will catch you on the next one. Peace. Peace.